Hey guys, Christian here, back with another Maid of Sker achievement guide video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get the Animal Lover achievement, which requires you to pet the dog that you see pop up at multiple times throughout the story. After passing through a long garden stealth section, you're going to come to a greenhouse with a ringing phone inside of it. You're going to want to take the path to the left where you see a sign that says Sker Point. Proceed up the pathway, and when you get to the top, you're going to hear the sound of a dog whining. Off to the left in the shadows, you are going to find the dog in a bear trap. Simply interact with the dog, you'll have a brief cutscene, and then the achievement should unlock for you. I hope this video is helpful, guys, and tune in next time for some more achievement guide videos.